The Baltic Sea has a lot of pressures as it's surrounded by 9 countries and almost 90 million people living around the Baltic Sea. The main sources of pollution come from cities, industry, agricultural fields, for example, all activities that we humans do around the sea. The largest problem of the Baltic Sea is eutrophication, which means the overload of nutrients from land-based sources, but also the climate change is changing the sea. So the water is getting warmer and the ice during winter time is decreasing, and all kinds of changes affect into the marine life as well. Companies can help the Baltic Sea by supporting our activities, but also by their own actions. For example, when transporting stuff around the Baltic Sea, fertilizers, chemicals, you can always avoid any load to the environment by improving the practices, for example, in harbors.